Welcome to this tutorial on adding a product to a page using the WP Express Checkout plugin. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of placing any product you've created with the WP Express Checkout plugin onto a page on your site. You can add a product to your landing page using a shortcode, a text link, or a product block. In this video, I'll demonstrate each method with an example. After creating a product, you can view its shortcode or text link by editing the product. You can then copy the shortcode or link and use it on your landing page. I've copied and pasted the shortcodes and link onto this landing page to show how the product can be embedded. This shortcode displays only the Buy Now button without any product details. It's useful if you want to design and display your own product information around the button. Adding the template parameter to the shortcode displays product details along with the Buy Now button. Here, I've simply added a text link using the product's link URL value. Here's how they appear on the front end of the site. Buy Now button without any product details. Buy Now button with product details. Text link call to action. I'll add a couple of products to this sample landing page using the product block to guide you through the steps of using it. Click the Add Block icon to insert a new block. Search for the WP Express Checkout block. Insert the WP Express Checkout product block. Select the appropriate product from the block options. The product will be displayed. In this example, I've selected the test product created earlier. I've added a second product block to insert the variation test product on this page. Click the Publish button to make the page live. Click the View Page link to open the newly published page. Let's see how it looks on the front end of the site. Customers can now click the Buy button to purchase the item. I'll also click Buy for the second product to show how customers can select product variations when purchasing. When I select a variation, the product price will adjust based on the configured settings. You're now ready to start selling from your site. You can explore our documentation for more advanced configuration options. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.